Welcome, food lovers! Today we're taking a culinary journey to the sun-drenched shores of Greece. We're going to create a show-stopping Greek lamb feast, complete with a refreshing radish and mint herb salad, a creamy homemade tzatziki, and some classic side dishes. The heart of our meal is the lamb. We're using a leg of lamb, which is perfect for slow roasting. Pat the leg of lamb dry with paper towels. This helps the skin get crispy. Using a sharp knife, make small incisions all over the lamb. This is where we'll insert our flavor bombs. Take your sliced garlic and push a piece into each of the incisions you made. This will infuse the lamb from the inside out. In a small bowl, whisk together the lemon juice, olive oil, dried oregano, and dried rosemary. Pour the marinade over the lamb and use your hands to massage it all over, making sure every inch is coated. While our lamb is resting, let's make a beautiful and vibrant salad to cut through the richness of the meat. Gently fold in the chopped fresh mint and parsley. The mint is key here, it adds a bright, cooling flavor. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss gently to combine. Grate the cucumber on the large holes of a box grater. This is the most important step for a non-watery tzatziki. Place the grated cucumber in a clean kitchen towel and squeeze out as much liquid as you possibly can. In a mixing bowl, combine the strained Greek yogurt, the squeezed cucumber, minced garlic, and chopped dill. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Roast the lamb for about 2 hours for medium rare. Halfway through, you can add some potatoes and onions to the pan to cook in the lamb's juices. Once cooked, remove the lamb from the oven and cover it loosely with foil. Let it rest for at least 15-20 minutes. Warm some pita bread on a griddle or in a pan until lightly golden. A simple bowl of crumbled feta and Kalamata olives adds a classic Greek touch. Carve the rested lamb into thick slices and arrange them on a large platter. Place the roasted potatoes around the lamb. Serve the radish and mint salad in a large bowl. And there you have it. A stunning Greek lamb feast, perfect for sharing with family and friends. The tender, aromatic lamb, the crisp and fresh salad, and the creamy tzatziki all work together to create a symphony of flavors. Enjoy!